Hello dear students, I hope you all will be fine and shine. Today is our fourth lecture and we will discuss in this lecture brickwork. Okay, so up till now we did earthwork in foundation, PCC in foundation, RCC in foundation, and today we will do brickwork. Okay, so let's start the lecture. Brickwork in foundation. Brickwork in superstructure. Okay, so the thickness of wall is 9 inches or 4.5 inches generally. Okay, generally thickness of wall is 9 inches or 4.5 inches in superstructure. Okay, so what is superstructure? The structure above the foundation is called superstructure. Okay, so now 4.5 inches wall is called single brick wall. It's called single brick wall or partition wall. Okay, so now we will do an example. Okay, so example, for example, we have a wall of length is equal to 50 feet. Okay, and height is equal to, for example, 11 feet, and thickness or breadth is equal to 9 inches. Okay, and number of walls is equal to, for example, we have a room and number of walls is equal to 4. Okay, so thickness of wall is equal to 9 inches, so we will convert inches into feet by dividing 12. Okay, dividing by 12. Okay, so it will become 9 inches divided by 12 is equal to 0.75 feet. Okay, so ratio in superstructure is 1:5 generally. Okay, so now we have formula: numbers multiply by uh, length multiply by height multiply by thickness is equal to quantity. Okay, or volume. सही ठीक है तो number of walls is equal to 4 multiplied by length is 50 feet multiplied by height is 11 feet multiplied by thickness is 0.75 is equal to 4 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 0.75 is equal to 1650 cubic feet. 1650 cubic feet. This is the volume of walls. Okay, now we will find number of bricks. Please note these 3 points. Number one is 1 cubic feet is equal to 13.5 bricks. Number second point, 100 cubic feet is equal to 1350 bricks. And 1 cubic meter is equal to 500 bricks. Okay, there are 13.5 bricks in 1 cubic feet. So in 100 cubic feet there are 1350 bricks, and in 1 cubic meter there are 500 bricks. Okay, so our quantity is in cubic feet, and that is 1650 cubic feet. So we will multiply volume multiply by 13.5 cubic feet is equal to volume is 1650 multiply by 13.5 is equal to 13.5 22275 bricks with mortar Okay, so now we will find cement quantity and sand quantity. Okay, so for that we will convert this volume into dry volume. This is wet volume. Okay, so we will convert this volume into dry volume. So for that we will do find mortar 1:5 in superstructure. So 30% dry mortar is used in 100 cubic feet. Okay, so 30% means 30 divided by 100 into into 100 cubic feet into 1650. Okay, into 1650. This is our wet volume. So we will just find 30 divide by 100 multiply by 1650 is equal to 495 cubic feet. So this is our dry volume. So now we will find cement and sand quantity. So first of all, ratio is equal to 1:5 is equal to sum of ratio is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So sum of ratio is 6. Now we will find the cement quantity. So cement quantity will be equal to, we have formula ratio of cement into dry quantity divided by sum of ratio. So cement quantity will be equal to ratio of cement is 1 in 1 ratio 5. Okay, and dry quantity is 495, and divided by sum of ratio is 6, divided by 6. So 82.5 is equal to 82.5 cubic feet. So this is quantity of cement. Now we will find, or to convert, 82.5 into bags of cement. So for that we will divide 82.5 by 1.25. Bags of cement is equal to 82.5 divided by 1.25 is equal to 66 bags of cement. Okay, now we will find sand quantity. So for sand we have formula, ratio of sand multiplied by dry quantity divided by sum of ratio. Okay, so sand quantity or volume is equal to, ratio is 5 into dry quantity 495 divided by sum of ratio is 6. Okay, so 495 into 5 is equal to, divided by 6, 412.5 is equal to 412.5 cubic feet. Now in second, we will divide 412.5 by 100. So we will get in second. So it will be divided by 104.125 or 4 sec. So this was our fourth lecture, and I hope you all will understand, and if someone have a question you can ask. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.